It's another day that we're on the bike. You heard me? Yes, we are on the way to the Tuesday night bike ride. I think they're gone already. I don't see any people that way. Going to check. Yep, it's time to take off. So we're gonna go ride to the headquarters of GetUpnRide. I'm gonna fix my bike how I need it. Put all my stuff in the pockets. And we riding. Yeah, we about to be live, baby. GetUpnRide Tuesdays, you hear me? Wonder what route we taking today.
We got 1942 Casamigos, this can't hit it. They gotta follow us in the Uber, my car filled up with shooters. It be lights, camera, action when you with us, it's a movie. Cause it ain't no one-on-one. We gon' come however niggas wanna come. Make that ass clap. Make that ass clap. Make that ass clap.
looking back at me like I couldn't come up here. And I hope you were still recording, goddammit. Mishap, my damn tire was low. Okay, so anyway, what I was saying was, oh yeah, we filming. I don't know why I didn't go to who I knew I should have went to get some air in my bike, but maybe the problem was already the problem. Maybe it's gonna be the problem regardless. But my bike is now flat. One, I gotta make sure I keep an extra inner tube so I can change my shit in the case this shit goes to shit. Because right now, I'm about to walk my bike all the way up Esplanade. Because I can't ride that bitch. Though nobody got an extra 29. So, yeah. Straight like that. Okay. I just want y'all to see how my ass is walking and shit. Back to the car. It's a glorious day. Glorious day. I'm glad I came out. Well, I ain't even get to like the halfway point yet. Hopefully they be like done. Somebody like come get me. I don't know. Let life be lit like usual. Till then, I'm walking down the street. Okay, so we've made it to the middle point. If you can see. People probably looking like, why is homie walking his bike? He's supposed to be riding that shit. I wish there was such thing as like a front wheel or something. Wherever you don't have a back tire. Like, what do you do? Why am I having such bad luck with back tires, bro? Life in New Orleans. Potholes, holes, sinkholes, water holes, music holes, drink holes, murder holes, basketball goals, that's a hole. Man,
where you parked at?
On the edge of the French Market. Like, bruh, check out what happened. Check out.
The tire shop? You went to the tire shop?
No.
Oh, I thought that's where you went.
So somebody, when I ain't get the pump from whoever earlier, Lenny come, I was like, yeah, so, you know, he went and brought the pump thing, and I don't know, I'm guessing, I don't know if that pump, the way that it worked wasn't good, pushing enough air, and the thing bust on the inside. So after pumping a while, it just kind of busted and did his own thing. It was like, forget what you're talking about. The tube bust, like the lining on the inside.
Oh, on your bike?
Yeah. That shit crazy. It's like one of those how did that shit happen type of deals.
There you go. So the bike should be light, huh?
Mm-hmm.